Hello, this is Michael and welcome to the Gimbal Group profiling system powered by Profile 21. This profiling system is used by Gimbal Group to track their apprentices on-the-job experience so that they can apply it to their training. Today I'll be going through the major features of this system as viewed by an apprentice. The role of the apprentice is to enter in profiling cards, which are entries that detail their on-the-job experience, as well as they are able to check their profiling progress through the reporting features. To begin, enter the username and password you were provided for your account. To access features that affect your profiling, they can be accessed from the profiling menu. From here you can add any new cards onto the system with the new card option. You can check any existing cards you have entered onto the system from the existing cards option. You can add any supporting documents onto your profile from the support documents option, and you can view your current profiling progress from the report option. When selecting the new card option, you'll be given a list of all cards you haven't submitted before. Select the one you wish to submit and you'll be given a form to fill out, which includes which company you worked with, the supervisor you were working with at that particular point in time, and what areas you were covering during that particular period. You'll see that each work area relates to a task on the left. When you select one of these tasks, you'll be asked what supervision level you had during that task, what role you played during that task, as well as what types of activities you were conducting during that particular task. As you can see, they are all tick box options, so you may select one, all, or a combination of these check boxes. As you fill out the card, you will basically go through each area deciding which tasks that you did or did not do, and if you did work on a particular task, you click on them and you fill out the right accordingly. You also have options to enter in leave, some form of sick leave as well, and off-the-job training, for example, going to college. These are all number of hours options, so you may enter in a number of hours and that would fulfill that component. When you're done with that card, you click continue. Once you've hit continue, you'll be given a summary of what you've entered into the card. Once you are happy with it, you can enter in the capture code down below, and you can either save the card as a draft so you can come back and edit it later, or submit it officially onto the system. In the existing card option, it provides a search filter that allows you to find any existing cards you've entered before. This includes any drafted cards you have submitted previously, as well as any other kinds of card statuses. You may also search from particular time periods as well as up to any particular time period. In the support documents option, it will show any existing documents already added to your account as well as allow you to add any additional documents onto your account. When adding a new document, it will ask you to provide a description of that document, as well as choosing the file from your computer. Please make sure that when choosing a file that it matches the requirements in the notes below. When selecting the report option, the progress report will appear in a pop-up window. Please make sure you disable all pop-up blockers when using our website. For the report, the first page goes into details about yourself, the employer, as well as your card summary. The second page goes into details about your units of competency and the percentage of completion towards each of your competencies. And finally, the pie charts show your exposure based on all the tick box options you select. There is also a messaging feature inside of our system which allows you to send messages to various users. There is also a My Details section which allows you to change your password as well as update any personal details like email address, phone number, etc. There is also a quick links box which allows you to go to both the home pages of Gimbal Group and Profile 21, as well as the Contact Us section of the Profile 21 website. In regards to the Gimbal Group profiling app, while it does mimic some features from the website, it does provide its own features such as offline mode, which allows profiling without internet connection, as well as card verification, which allows for the employer to verify cards on your phone. Once you have logged into the system, you have access to the new card and existing card features, as well as the card verification option, which allows your employer to log in on your phone to verify your cards. Once they select the card verification option, they will be able to view and select any cards that you have submitted onto the system, whether it's from the website or from the phone. Once they select a card they wish to verify, they are able to view all the information you have entered onto that card, and then they make a decision on whether they approve or reject that particular card. When they select one of the options, the app will then prompt your employer to enter in their login details, and once they confirm, it will then either be approved or rejected on the system. Should you have any technical difficulties with the profiling system, you may contact us on our website as shown here, or use the Contact Us section in either the profiling system or the app. Thank you very much for listening, and goodbye.